Namaskar, welcome. Today we will talk all about the body oriented personality. Before that, you should know what personality is. Your personality is the combination of your physical body, it means your appearance and all your inner organs, your mental body, it means your mind. Mind means your thoughts, your feelings, and your emotions. Your pranic body, it is all about your energy. Your understanding body, it is all about your ideas, your concepts, and your understandings. And finally, your bliss body. It is all about your bliss, joy, and peace. Out of these five, when you are giving more priority to your body and takes all the decision as if you are only a body, is called body oriented lifestyle, is called body oriented personality. For your kind information, you have your body, you are not your body. Let me repeat once again, you have your body, you are not a body at all. Don't misunderstood that you are a body. No, you have a body. It is given by the nature. Any moment it can be taken away. You are separate than your body. This is the fact. This is all about to realize by the practice of yoga and meditation. But when you are not understanding the fact that I have a body, I am not body, and you are giving importance to your physical appearance, to your look, to your dress, to your car, to your bungalow, and all the things which are very much related and close to your body is called body oriented person. Let's take an example to understand the body oriented personality. Suppose you visit to your friend, and when you reach there, simply your attention goes towards the car, the bungalow, the dress, the physical fitness of your friend. It means you are looking the outer layer of your friend. It means you are living a body oriented lifestyle and you have a body oriented personality. For your kind information, the body is the outer layer of your personality. Let's take another example. Suppose you are traveling in a local transport. After some time, an ugly person come and sit near to you. Here you can find you feel uncomfortable within. Maybe you try to change your seat. Or it can be possible you are not reacting to that person, but inside you are uncomfortable. Your mind and your understanding is not accepting that person completely. If this is the situation, then you have a body oriented personality. Be aware, this is not the right way to live the life. Let's take the last example to understand the body oriented personality. Suppose you are looking for a person to marry. If you are only looking proper fitness, bank balance, and good looking of a person, for your partner and not bothering about the state of mind of that person, the state of understanding of that person, then you are not doing the right thing. Then definitely you have a body oriented personality. Now, let's understand the nature of the body oriented personalities. This kind of person are very attached to their body and the things which is related to the body. They are not compromise the things, the requirements related to the body. This kind of persons are giving more importance to the things. Once again repeating, this kind of person giving more importance to the things than person or the idea of the person. This kind of person is always living the outer periphery of the person or outer periphery of the life. Why this kind of person living the upper part and surface level of the life? Why? Because either they don't have any idea, they don't have any knowledge that some deeper part of the life can be there, or they are not interested to give any kind of importance to understand the deeper part of the life. This kind of person are very happy with their life the way it is right now, but like a bull. Look, a bull is very happy to find a brinjal or a cabbage in a street. So, this kind of happiness is borrowed happiness. This kind of happiness is not the real happiness. You need to find the real happiness. So, to experience the real happiness, either you need to give importance to your understanding or you need to give importance to your wisdom. Later, we will try to understand what to do so that you can move from body-oriented lifestyle towards the understanding-oriented lifestyle and later towards the wisdom-oriented lifestyle. I hope you have understood all about the body-oriented lifestyle. If not, don't hesitate to write all your questions in comment box. I will answer them as soon as possible. Take care. Have a great time ahead.